Linking a bank account to Revolut is a straightforward process that allows you to manage your finances more efficiently. Follow these steps to connect your bank account to your Revolut app. Step 1. Open the Revolut app. Launch the Revolut app on your smartphone. Ensure you are logged into your account. If you do not have the app, download it from your device's app store and create an account. Step 2. Navigate to the Accounts section. Once you are in the app, locate the Accounts tab at the bottom of the screen. Tap on it to access your account settings and options. Step 3. Select Add Account. In the Accounts section, look for an option that says Add Account or Link Bank Account. Tap on this option to begin the linking process. Step 4. Choose your bank. You will be prompted to select your bank from a list or enter your bank details manually. Follow the on-screen instructions to find your bank and select it. Step 5. Enter bank details. Provide the required information, such as your account number and routing number. Review the details for accuracy and confirm the linking process. You may need to verify your identity through a code sent to your phone or email. Once you have completed these steps, your bank account should be successfully linked to your Revolut account. You can now easily transfer funds and manage your finances directly through the app.